What is up, boyos? I want to say hi. I'm right here. Look at my hands. I'm modeling. I just want to say thank you first and foremost to Rockform for sending me these. So I did get these sent to me to do a review on them, and I do have a discount code. So if you want a set of these or anything from Rockform, make sure you use that discount code. But here's the thing: is that the way I do my own brand deals and the way I do my own things, I'm very honest with you guys, my viewers. You guys are the most important people right now when it comes to the YouTubes to me. So I want you guys to have the full, everything. I want to be completely honest with everything I have here. So I have my Samsung Galaxy S9. I have a Samsung Galaxy S9 Rockform case. And then I have a motorcycle handlebar mount from Rockform. So I'm really going to try these out. I used, you know me. When I ride, I have my phone out. So this will be very important. I got two of them because you know me also. I go back and forth between the Honda Rebel and my new FTR 1200S. And so I needed to have something to test back and forth. I wanted to see how quick it was to do, from jump to jump and all that stuff. And if I like it, I'm going to get another case for my wife so that she has one too, because she will be using GPS and all that stuff on her phone. So I got the Rockform website here, and it actually looks pretty cool. That's kind of how I'm going to use it. You see how it has, and it's even an Indian. I got an Indian too. But you see how it's just sitting there? I like that look. So we're going to go through real quick, and then later on in the video, I'm actually going to show you, how it performs on the bike. So right here, I got the Rockform Galaxy S9 Rugged S. It's black, so it's really cool. I've already pulled it out before, and I checked it out, and I put it on the phone, and I really like it, but I'm going to show you guys anyways. So you got the cutout for the portion that it works and things, the engineerings, but it also has a magnet. One of the main questions that I had for this, that I actually looked up into their frequently asked questions, is that it's not going to mess up your phone. It's not going to mess up your phone. It might mess up your computer, like this computer right here. Anything with a running magnetic hard drive or anything like that. Yeah, magnets can, but this one probably won't. But they also say on there, to be absolutely 100% safe, do not put this on a computer or anything like that. But it won't mess up your phone. So I'm gonna take off my black case. So it's still relatively. Let's take that sticker off. That's stupid. Why do I still have a sticker? So nice. Got my blue. We're gonna go slide it right in. Boom, boom. Got my family on the side. This is really cool. Oops, I screenshotted. So it's really cool because it actually has. Come on, focus. Anyways, it has a nice little slot for the power button here. So it's actually really nice. It's not raised, which is actually pretty cool. This right here is the Bixby button for Galaxy. Then volume controls. The IR laser, I believe that's what that is, or is that a mic? I don't know. There's a slot for that. It says Rockform on the top. There's the headphone jack, charging port, and then that's supposed to be closed. Anyways, all that other stuff. So it's all accessible. The cool thing is magnetic. So this is magnetic right here. So I'm sure I'm going to have something pop up. You can put it on the fridge and all that stuff. So that's really cool. And here's the slot for this stuff. So let's open this up now. That's what's kind of important. That's why we're moving towards... Ooh, look at that. That's nice. Nice packaging. Whoa, that's badass. So it tells you everything right up here. So number one, CNC machine, 360 viewing, rotation, quick install, secure mount. Cool. So 360 movement, 360 degrees mounting, and then negative 20 to plus 55 degrees on the pivot. Used with the phone. Okay. I love this packaging. Oh, let's get you out of there. So here's the actual thing. It feels pretty solid. It really does. So you're gonna put the mount here, and then you put the phone. Let's try that out. Whoa! It's even more secure. It's magnetic. So let's go ahead. Okay, it's locked. That's locked. Yeah, that's not going anywhere. And it looks like there's a magnet right here too. There's a magnet here, so I unlock it. So that's freaking. It's strong magnet, but let's trying to mess with it. I want to get it. So I gotta. Okay, that's that way. And once again, as a man, I'm not looking at any instructions. Okay, so now it's locked in because of the little thing right there, the engineerings, and it has a magnet. It's not going anywhere. So if I have this on the handlebars, so I'm looking like this, looks great. So it's on the handlebars. You know what? It'll be easier just to show you on the handlebars when we actually do that. So let's get this off. Cool. What's in the package? We got a lanyard. So it's a nice little lanyard right here. Let's go and just open it up so you guys can see what's in here. So it's a nice little lanyard. Nice. And this is what I was actually concerned when I saw some of the pictures. When you look at the pictures on the website, let's go to this. So when you look at the picture on the website, it doesn't have these little rubberized things. It just looks like, you know, it's just metal. It looks like it's just metal. And I was really concerned about my handlebars. But it comes with the metal insert. So it also comes with an Allen wrench, Allen key, whatever you want to call it. So let's loosen it up just real quick. Oh, so you can loosen it up to here. Okay. Oh, so you loosen it up and you can do the whole pivot thing. So once again, we'll do that on the bike. So I'm loosening it up even more. I'm going to loosen this up. Oh, so smooth too. You know, sometimes you get it all grimy. Yeah, you know, this might be a two-parter video. We're taking our time on this one. So it's nice and open, and I'm assuming that's what this is for. So it's going to have a nice rubberized, so it's not going to be metal on metal. And if you're wondering how do you get this on there, it opens. So that's really nice. And it comes with 3 different ones. So I'm guessing 3 different diameters. 3 different interior diameters. Oh, it even says it. It says it's hard for you to it's hard to see. Let's see. So it says 25. That's supposed to be 25 millimeters. Sorry, guys, it's hard for you to see. It's not focusing. This is 22 millimeters. This is 1.125. Okay, so you got different sizes. That's really cool. So you can apply that to other stuff. What else is in here? I see stuff on the bottom. Join the rewards. rockform.com/rewards. Oh, it says thank you. So 2-year warranty on this stuff. So I'm going to look more into it. But I'm going to be testing these products out, guys. And I'm really excited to have this stuff. And I'm really liking, even if it's just for the case feels really good. And the cool thing is, where is, oh, I think right here. Look at that. Look at that. It's a little heavy on one end. But imagine if, like, this is your fridge or something, you can watch TV. Or you could not watch TV, but a YouTube video. I'm not going to put it on my computer, but on the metal case. That's really cool that you could do that. So even if it's just for the mount, there's a bunch of accessories. So even if it's just for the mount, you get the magnet, and you can get this. You can get car accessories. But I'm going to be using it for the motorcycle because I use my phone a lot on the motorcycle, as you know. And it's going to be very helpful. So the next video you guys are going to see is going to be installing this on the bike. It should be simple, but I'm going to also install it and then do a quick review, first impressions of it. And if you guys want to get this stuff now, right now, I have a discount code DANDAN25. Okay, it should be popping up on the screen. Go there, you get 10% off. And it helps out the channel. And if you're already going to buy this, if you're already going to buy one, if you're going to buy something from Rockform, just use that. Just use that so you get 10% off. And then get yourself one of these. These are actually really cool. They're really high quality. That's, you know me with my reviews. I make sure I do it 100% honest. I don't mince words, you know. So this is like really nice. Look at that. You can rotate it. It's really cool. I'm excited. Thank you, Rockform, for sending this out to me so I can test this out for you guys. Honest reviews are coming up. All right, guys. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. I'll see you later.